de Flexy and Bunny.
In a quiet forest, two best friends lived side by side. Flexy, the clever fox, and Benny, the cheerful bunny. They loved gardening and planting the plants. Every day they watered the plants. One morning, Benny woke up and saw holes in the garden. "Oh no! Someone's been digging!" he cried. Flexy came running. "It wasn't me," he said. "Maybe it was a mole." They decided to stay up that night and watch. They a baby hedgehog looking for food. Benny wanted to chase him away, but Flexy said, "Wait, he must be hungry. Let's give him some extra vegetables instead." So they give food to the hedgehog from that day on. Flexy, Benny, and the little hedgehog became a team. Moral: sharing and kindness bring unexpected friends and big rewards.